are you, hon?
I'm good.
Where's Fast Eddie Freddy?
Oh, now they come back home.
Oh, have you been fighting Dr. Doom? Already? Where is he?
So
Where did he go?
his mission has failed. So he come back to his labs to become stronger.
Okay, and what about the Centurion?
Mission failed again and come back home.
Dr. Octopus?
Mission failed and come back to the lab.
Oh my goodness, that means you've beaten everybody. The Sandman.
So that's why my mission complete.
Oh, so you mean you've beaten the Sandman, Dr. Octopus, Centurion, and Dr. Doom?
Yeah.
My goodness. Wow. What about Deadpool?
Deadpool? What is it?
Yeah, where is Deadpool?
What's that man called?
Deadpool is the ninja from Ninjatron, remember?
Oh, I know.
Where is he?
Now come back to his planet.
Oh, I see. And what did you do today?
I've been playing and waiting tomorrow to fight all those bosses again.
What bosses tomorrow?
Yeah.
I heard Shazam's looking for you.
What's that mean?
Shazam is the boss. He's another boss.
So where's the power?
He has got lightning power.
Wait.
Superhuman strength.
Anything else?
And he has strong wind and eye lasers. And he's very strong. He's like Superman.
Can he fly? He can
yes,
fly.
He can. He's a little boy, but when he says the magic word Shazam, he changes into a big man.
Okay, I know that man.
You know him?
I know him last time.
Oh, he's coming for you.
For me, Tornado?
Yeah, he's coming for you.
So that's why I'm waiting for it.
And He-Man, he's looking for you as well.
So that's why I'm waiting for him.
I think you'll beat He-Man easy. He-Man has just got big muscles.
I can finish him easy. Easy peasy squeezy.
Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy Japanesey.
Yeah, I know.
But I don't know about Shazam. Shazam is very tough.
So alright, tough guy.
He says, Shazam.
So that's why he's coming big about that name.
So he's a small boy. He's only 5. But when he says Shazam, he changes into a man.
So I beat him easily.
Maybe if he doesn't say the magic word Shazam.
But my magic word is smelly cheese.
Smelly cheese?
So maybe this, I'm gonna put the smelly cheese on him.
I thought your secret word was tornado.
My secret word is smelly cheese and tornado.
Oh, have you developed your tornado punch?
Yeah.
You told me you was working on the tornado punch.
Yeah.
What is the tornado punch?
So that's my hand.
Yeah. Is it where you spin it around like that and you punch? Yeah, the tornado punch. Oh. That is powerful.
Yeah.
Have you got the double tornado? Oh, you do. Have you been practicing the chi energy?
Yes. Maybe this one first. No.
Oh, the chi energy.
It's coming hot. Become a fire. Abigail speed.
Oh. Oof.
So that's why I have my fire tornado punch.
So the tornadoes of fire.
Yeah.
Wow. I can feel the heat. Oh, I can feel all the heat. It's so hot. Woo. Wow.
So
I need to put on the air conditioner. It's so hot, that fireball.
yeah. Thank you. Now I make the cool one.
Okay. Oh, that's too cold.
So that's why you have to turn off the air conditioner.
I have to turn it off now. Oh, that's off now. It's turned off. I think it. And tomorrow, do you go to school?
I study online.
You study online. I see. And what will you study tomorrow?
Maybe math, Vietnamese.
Yep. Do you study mathematics? Oh, what is that? Is that a gun? The tornado? Oh, is that the tornado racket?
So that's my badminton racket.
Oh, did you fight Did you fight Dr. Doom with that?
But later I will use this one about.
Wow, can you spin that?
Oh, we have out of time now.
Take care.
Yeah, thank you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, tornado.
See you tomorrow.